Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve the error code 0x000001f7 in Microsoft Store. This says try that again, something happened on our end, waiting a bit might help. So first thing I'd actually recommend doing would be just to restart your computer, see if that resolves the problem. Next thing you want to try after you've restarted your computer is open up the start menu, type in WS reset. Best result should come back with WS Reset. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. Give it a moment here. This will reset the Microsoft Store. And the Microsoft Store should open up once that is done, and you shouldn't even need to restart your computer at this point. It should start working right away. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.